Homemade coffee bean ice cream recipe, easy and delicious. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to make a delicious treat that combines two of our favorite things, coffee and ice cream. That's right, we're making homemade coffee bean ice cream. It's creamy, rich, and has that perfect caffeine kick. So, let's dive right into the recipe. Ingredients: 2 cups heavy cream, 1 cup whole milk, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon instant coffee granules, 1/4 cup whole coffee beans, 5 large egg yolks, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: in a saucepan, combine the heavy cream, whole milk, sugar, salt, instant coffee granules, and whole coffee beans. Stir everything together until the sugar and coffee granules are completely dissolved. We want to infuse that coffee flavor into the cream mixture. Once the mixture comes to a gentle simmer, remove it from the heat and let it steep for about 30 minutes. This allows the coffee beans to release their flavor into the cream. While our cream mixture is steeping, let's prepare our egg yolks. In a separate bowl, whisk together the egg yolks until they're pale and slightly thickened. Now, it's time to temper the egg yolks. Slowly pour a ladleful of the warm cream mixture into the egg yolks while whisking continuously. This helps to gradually raise the temperature of the eggs without scrambling them. Once tempered, pour the egg mixture back into the saucepan with the remaining cream mixture. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly, until the mixture thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon. Now, we want to strain our mixture to remove the coffee beans and any cooked egg bits. This will give us a smooth and creamy ice cream base. After straining, let the mixture cool to room temperature, then stir in the vanilla extract for that extra flavor boost. Once cooled, transfer the mixture to your ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions. This usually takes about 20-25 minutes until it's thick and creamy. And there you have it, folks. Homemade coffee bean ice cream that's creamy, rich, and packed with that delicious coffee flavor. It's the perfect treat for any coffee lover out there. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes like this. See you next time.
Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.